Okay, what we have here today is the Rachael Ray exploding 2-quart tea kettle, and I'll show you what I mean. So we have our tea kettle, stove. It's filled about halfway with ordinary cold tap water. Let's put it on medium heat, and what we'll do is we'll wait until it just begins to whistle, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, just started whistling on the tea kettle. Go ahead and turn it off and watch the fireworks. Here's my cup, here's my tea kettle. Exploding tea kettle. After the initial explosion, tea kettle pours as normal. Not sure what's causing this. Somewhere water is getting splashed up against something hot and exploding because it suddenly boils. Not entirely sure. Could be something in there. Maybe the underside of the lid. Who knows? Just be careful.